pymongo, to check if we have connected to MongoDB database. I am trying to achieve a task, only if the connection exists by pymongo, then return true so that the functions can proceed, else it should return false and a message to check connection. So that we don't proceed further. How can I achieve this? Edit 1, Accepted Solution. I added a user using the above code snippet and then used the following script. I have used this code snippet to connect to my DB. Now getting connected to the DB, I have the database in my PC and I am using Ubuntu 16.04.
You will probably have to use the authenticate method anyway, side connection function, so you could do it as following.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.